Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Heart to Palate, and today I'm showing you the recipe for ज्वारीची भाकरी, which is ज्वारी का रोटला, and it is very पौष्टिक आणि ह्या सीझनमध्ये स्पेशली लोक बनवतात फॉर भोगी स्पेशल. मी आज मुद्दाम दाखवते ही रेसिपी along with ठेचा and भरीत. So I've taken about 2.5 cups of ज्वारीचं पीठ, which is also called sorghum flour, and I've added about a teaspoon of salt to it, and I'm adding the hot water to it, and that's like haltemi. And I'm just going to mix it because it's really hot, so I don't want to touch it with my hand right now. I'm sure I would need a little bit more. So I've kneaded the flour now. You can see it's not too hard, it's not too thin either, it's not too soft. You can see the consistency, You have to make it a little bit softer as compared to the pohicha peeth normally, because you have to actually spread it out on the plate with your hands. So this would make about 5 of them. I'm not making too big because my tawa is not that big. So I'm just going to divide the dough into the appropriate size balls first. चार ते 5 व्हायला हरकत नाही, कारण की अर्ध्या कपामध्ये नॉर्मली एक व्यवस्थित मीडियम साईजची भाकरी होते. अगदी गावच्यासारखी मोठी नाही, बिकॉज वी डोंट हॅव दॅट बिग तवा. सो यू कॅन सी हाऊ बिग इज माय बॉल of the dough. So almost like a tennis ball, I would say. तेवढा मोठा आहे, and not table tennis, I'm talking about the tennis ball. Okay, so 5 गोळे असे होतील. So I'm just going to keep these dough balls into a separate plate now, and I'm going to start spreading the bhakri now. I'm using dry flour again, and you just अगदी हलक्या हाताने आपण ही पसरवायचा प्रयत्न करायचा. That's why you want your dough to be little loose, so it's easier to spread it out like that. Usually मी जी तांदळाची भाकरी करते ती मी उकडीची करते, and that I literally roll with the rolling pin, जसे आपण नॉर्मल पोळी करतो. पण ही जी भाकरी आहे ती ज्वारीची भाकरी आहे. स्पेशली इन दिस सीझन वी डू मेक इट बिकॉज दॅट गिव्स वॉर्म टू युअर बॉडी इन दिस विंटर सीझन, अँड दॅट्स द रिझन वी ईट दिस अलॉंग विथ द सेसमी सीड्स. सो दॅट्स द रिझन वी पुट द सेसमी सीड्स ऑन टॉप ऑफ द भाकरी, which has intrinsic warmth. All these food items are very essential to eat, especially in this time of the season. So you eat jaggery along with ghee and this bhakri, and the bhakri topped with the sesame seeds. That's the reason you want to have warmth into your body in this winter season. So all our ancient food, it goes with the season. You have to always respect why we eat certain food in certain period of the time. So that's one of the reason you want to eat all these warm food, like intrinsic, which has the warmth in their nature during this particular season. So now my bhakri is ready. I'm going to put it on the tawa now. I'm putting the side with which I had actually put it on the flour side. It's on the top now. So I'm just going to add some water over it. आणि पूर्ण पाणी असं you have to just spread it around, edge to edge completely. Okay. And I'm going to just roast the bhakri on this side first for about 30 to 35 seconds, and until the water dries up on the surface, and then I'm going to flip it over. You can see the water on the top surface of the bhakri is already dried. It's completely dried. So I'm going to try flipping over the bhakri. Look at that. And again 35 to 40 seconds on this side also, and this side would now go into the direct flame, just like our फुलका. आपण फक्त दोनदा परतवतो आणि तिसऱ्या वेळी फक्त आपण डायरेक्टली गॅसवर टाकतो तसंच. So let's check if the bhakri is done on this side. Yes, so I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put it on the direct flame now. आता आपली भाकरी छान फुलकली पण. Look at that. So गरमागरम भाकरी is ready to be served with भरली वांगी म्हणा, वांग्याचं भरीत म्हणा, or ठेचा. So it's ready to be served. Look at that. I'm going to add some ghee. And sprinkle some sesame seeds. So I'm going to serve my bhakri with bharit and ठेचा, कांदा आणि गूळ आणि तूप. So just amazing, heavenly. Please make sure you eat seasonal food every season as the season changes. How our grandparents have been teaching us, even our parents have been teaching. It makes a lot of sense. So तिळगुळ घ्या, गोड बोला, भोगी special हा episode. Again I'm showing you the bhakri and enjoy. So enjoy the flavors of the season. From heart to palate, this is another recipe, Bhogi special bhakri, jwarichi bhakri. Enjoy with bharit and thecha. And recipes in the description box below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy Sankrant to all of you.